Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the Trezor Model T hardware wallet, a state-of-the-art solution for safely managing and storing your cryptocurrency assets. With the rise of crypto hacking threats, having a secure hardware wallet is crucial, and Trezor Model T offers unmatched security and ease of use. The Trezor Model T supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others, making it a versatile choice for diverse portfolios. Begin by visiting the official Trezor website, where you'll find details about the wallet's features and purchase options. After acquiring your Trezor Model T, unbox it to reveal the sleek design and accessories provided. You'll notice the touch screen, which allows for secure input without relying on an external device. To set up your wallet, connect the Trezor Model T to your computer or smartphone using the provided cable. Navigate to the Trezor Suite app, a user-friendly interface for managing your wallet. The app will guide you through initialization, including creating a PIN and generating a recovery seed phrase. Ensure you store your recovery seed phrase in a safe and secure location, as it is the only way to recover your funds if the device is lost. Once your wallet is set up, you can begin transferring cryptocurrencies. Open the Trezor Suite app and select the currency you wish to receive. Copy the generated wallet address and use it to transfer funds from exchanges or other wallets securely. For added security, Trezor Model T offers advanced features such as multi-signature support and integration with third-party services. Now, for the ad integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Explore additional features of the Trezor Model T, such as its compatibility with password managers and its open-source firmware that ensures complete transparency. Regular firmware updates from Trezor enhance security and functionality, keeping your crypto assets safe. Don't forget to explore Trezor's security settings, such as enabling passphrase protection for an extra layer of security. With these settings, even if someone gains access to your recovery seed, your funds remain protected. That's everything you need to know about the Trezor Model T to get started. Remember, having a hardware wallet is a vital step in safeguarding your crypto investments from cyber threats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more crypto guides and tutorials.